Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Chatgpt network error. This error is usually due to heavy use of servers and too long sentences. The fact that the servers are busy can be affected by this situation, causing the AI technology to become unresponsive after a certain period of time. You can create short sentences and check if the server is getting tired more. So, let's get started. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. You can ask complex questions to AI technology. However, with the servers being busy, if you ask the AI technology complex questions, the request time can increase, causing the machine to time out. With this situation, the probability of encountering various errors will increase. Therefore, you can check whether the problem persists by reducing your complex questions until the server density is over. The files in the temporary cache of the Openai application may be problematic or incorrectly installed. To solve this problem, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the browser cache. For this, let's access the browser settings. Then click on the Privacy and Security option on the left. Click on the Cookies and Other Site Data option on the screen that opens. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions below. Search for Openai on the search screen on the screen that opens. After this process, click on the trash icon on the right side of the Openai site and perform the cleaning process. You can then refresh the page and check if the issue persists. If this is not a solution for you, download any VPN plugin and connect to a different location and check if the problem persists. If you want to download the VPN extension, you can go to the Google Chrome Web Store and get the VPN add-on from the add-ons. I suggest you disable all active add-ons in your browser. This is because some plugins may prevent the algorithm from working. For this, disable all active add-ons from your browser and check if the problem persists by refreshing the page. To do this, disable all active plugins by accessing the plugins menu I showed, and refresh the page to see if the problem persists. If none of these processes is a solution for you, you can finally check whether the Chatgpt application is working from a different browser. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Chatgpt network error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.